Hello everybody! Today we're going to take a close-up look at the Sistema Ultra Round containers. So in front of us are three Sistema Ultra Round containers with three different storage capacities. The one on the left having a 330ml capacity, the middle one with a 770ml capacity, and the one on the right having a 1.2 litre capacity. Let's take a close-up look at the smallest one first on the left, and let's set the other two to the side so they don't interfere with the foreground. So just setting them to the right hand side of the table and giving you a look at this small one with a 330ml capacity, or 330 milliliters. And to give you some sense of the size, resting it in my palm. So it does have an ultra clear Tritan construction, as you can see, and it is phthalate and BPA free and dishwasher safe. Let's open it up by turning the screw cap off and giving you a look inside, and just setting the cap down and removing the contents from the container. Let's set the container down and giving you a look at this fold out booklet, front and back, and giving you a close-up look right there. At the product information and details of this booklet and the different varieties of the Sistema range of products. And taking a look at the back side, some further information and features of this Sistema Ultra storage container. And now we can set that to the side. Let's set it on the left hand side of the table. And moving right back to this 330 milliliter capacity container and taking a close-up look. So it does have a 10 centimeter width or diameter, giving you a top-down look. And you can see that it does have a glossy finish to the white and grey design, and of course the ultra clear Tritan body once again. So you can see that it does have a raised center section and just taking a look all the way around, you can see that it does have the Sistema branding around the top of the screw top lid, and just giving you a close-up look at the product label on the underside. And once again, just to show you, it does turn with a very short twist, and giving you a look at the details. And on the underside of the lid, we can see that it does have a gasket to provide that airtight seal. So right there are the details up close, and just like that, with a simple twist that locks and unlocks the screw top. And now let's take a look at the 770ml capacity Sistema Ultra container. So taking a look at the 770 capacity ml food storage container, and then the underside as well. So as you can see, it does have that same design right throughout, with the ultra clear Tritan body and white and grey airtight design with that very simple and easy screw top. So taking a look directly inside the container, let's lift that booklet out from it and take a look once again. And once again, we see the same details with this booklet and the features of the Sistema Ultra container. Okay, and just setting that down on the right hand side of the table and moving back to the food container and giving you a look at the details. So in terms of height, this container measures 12.1 centimeters tall, and once again it does have that 10 centimeter diameter or width. And just taking a close-up look at the details on the underside, and we can see that the container is recyclable as well. And giving you some sense of the construction, and once again size resting in my palm. And moving right along, just setting that 770 ml capacity Sistema Ultra container down, we move on to the largest one here, which has a 1.2 litre capacity, and it measures 18 centimeters tall, and once again with that same consistent 10 centimeter diameter for its width. And let's open it up, and once again just showing you that very effortless screw top and airtight lid, and taking a look directly inside the container with its ultra clear Tritan design or body, and just setting that lid down to the side and tipping out once again that booklet, which appears to have the same information about the Sistema Ultra range of products along with its features. And we'll set that to the side. Let's set it on the right hand side of the table, and moving right back to this 1.2 litre capacity Sistema Ultra container, and taking a look on the underside. So same features throughout with the white and grey screw top and airtight lid, and ultra clear Tritan body, which is BPA free and phthalate free, and also recyclable. So we have 3 capacities of the Sistema Ultra range of round containers. And this 330 ml container does have a 6.3 centimeter height. And let's see if they're stackable. So we can see that the rounded bottom as well as the concave top does provide stackability. So it's modular in design, as you can see right there. That brings the 3 containers, or the 2 on the side, flush with the 1.2 litre capacity Sistema Ultra Round container. So that's the Sistema Ultra Round. Thanks for watching and happy storing!